still here walking along the streets of Brunei, and it's already nighttime here. And guess what I found? The only Chinese temple here in. So I'll go show you around some what it looks like. I don't know if what Chinese religion is this. Probably it's Buddhism, but I think it's already closed because the gate is closed already. And this is what you will see here on the background. It's not that much going on here, and if you have noticed, there's not too many cars, and there are a lot of traffic lights. And even if there's not so many cars, like say for example that one, the car would really stop, and they really follow traffic rules, like amazing. And that is the Chinese temple here in Brunei, the only Chinese temple. I wonder what its name is. I could not find any name for this temple. Can't read in Chinese, so there's no way for me to know the name. So this is what this temple looks like, and beside it is a very tall building. I think it's a condominium, and this is the neighborhood. So that's it for that temple. So there's not much to do in that temple because it's not that big. Yeah, and I've been to a lot of temples already. And I'm still here walking in the streets of Brunei. I'm a bit curious. Like before I went here, why is it that the streets of Brunei is so empty? Like there's not much people walking. And I got to find the answer to that question yesterday when I had a meet up with a local here in Brunei together with another tourist. Yes. And she said that most of the Bruneians have car. And aside from that, since Brunei is an oil producing country, so they sell oil at a low price, so they are only selling it at 50 Brunei dollars cents, 50 cents. So it's around 20 pesos, that cheap. Whereas in the Philippines, it's being sold at, I think, 46 now or 47. And take note, that's the price of the gasoline. And if you're going to take into consideration the diesel, it's way much cheaper here. And according to my tour guide, the tax for their car here is not that high. And speaking of cars in Singapore is so expensive because they are the Singaporean government discourages its citizens to buy car because it might cause, traffic jam in Singapore. Amazing. That is why most of them take trains, and their trains are so good. Okay, so I'll show you around the neighborhood. Okay, this is what it looks like here during nighttime. And look at that bridge. A very beautiful bridge. And I am now walking along the Brunei Bus Terminal. It's a bit old here. I think it's not maintained well. Look at the plate number. It's BAE A29. Lorong Bibatik. I think the meaning of the word lorong is street, so it's Bibatik Street. That's what it looks like here. And that is the bus terminal. And I can already see the Burger King, and my hostel is beside the Burger King, like just on top of that restaurant with a green signage. And my tour guide also said that the bus terminal is, this area is the first commercial complex in Brunei because it's also near the water village, so where those people would buy their needed things for their everyday life. And there's the bus, and it closes by 6 p.m. So again, that is the bus terminal, the main bus terminal here in Brunei. And few meters from that, if you're planning to stay in BK Hostel, that's where BK Hostel is located. On top of that, the Green Silent Restaurant and Catering and Guardian Pharmacy. So you just have to enter in that green door over there. Yes. So check-in instructions will be given if you will book with BK Hostel through Airbnb. And just like in Singapore, if you want to cross the street, you need to press this button and wait for that icon over there across the street to turn into green. So even if there's not much car, they are following the traffic rules. Amazing. Look at that. So this is the view here in Brunei, Darussalam. And the mosque, the Omar Saifuddien Mosque, is now playing again that music, that prayer music. So it's probably prayer time for the Muslims here in Brunei. And look at all these cafes, the coffee bean and tea leaf. Like it's so empty. There's not much customer. And also here. Amazing. I wonder if they earn a profit since they only have few customers getting inside. Substation restaurant. We also have here a restaurant. This one sells Taiwanese food.